Are you or someone you know preparing for the NEET-UG entrance exam? This video is for you. NEET preparation can be tough, but understanding each subject deeply is the key to success. That's why we founded Newton's third law, where action in learning leads to reaction in success. To help you in your NEET journey, we're offering 2 free webinars this October. October 12th, the Respiratory System. October 19th, the Circulatory System. In each session, you'll receive a worksheet that will help you take organized notes and reinforce your learning. We'll also discuss previously asked NEET questions and dive into possible future questions from these critical topics. At the end of each webinar, we'll host a quiz, and exciting prizes await the top 3 rankers. And the best part, all of this is absolutely free. Join us for these free webinars and take your NEET preparation to the next level. Newton's third law, where action in learning leads to reaction in success. Register now and make your NEET journey smoother and more successful.